Have you ever wondered how to make 100% pure pumpkin puree? It's so easy. Hi, Meg of California Grown here, and today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin puree from start to finish so you can see just how easy it is. No cuts, no extra takes, just a little elbow grease and time. Start by washing a sugar pie variety of pumpkin that is 2 to 3 pounds in size. Carefully remove the stem with a very sharp knife and cut the pumpkin in half. Use a large spoon to scrape the interior walls of the pumpkin, removing any seeds and strings. Roast cut side down on a foil-lined baking sheet at 350 degrees for about an hour until a toothpick can easily pierce through the pumpkin's flesh. Scrape the pumpkin into a food processor and puree until smooth. Your homemade pumpkin puree is now ready to use in any recipe your heart desires, from pumpkin loaf to pumpkin ice cream.